Shalom family, our Israel warrior here. Welcome to another episode of Our Israel Lives. Okay guys, so I just came in from a nice little workout, and I usually do not have anything to eat until 12 noon. My eating window is from 12 noon and before sunset. So I took me a little walk and did some little light weights. And now I'm coming in for my breakfast. It's about 1 o'clock. So we're going to have a smoothie today. This particular smoothie that I'm making, it's a meal replacement. So you will have your fruit, your veggies, you'll have your nuts and seeds, and then I use my coconut almond milk blend that I make. Okay, so we're going to use a Vitamix. This is all I use for my smoothies. If you're interested in buying a high-speed professional blender, I will link it in the description box. There, you do get a different quality of smoothie if you don't use a professional high-speed blender. Okay, so I put my coconut almond milk that I made, okay? And I love berries, guys. If you are diabetic, you need to use low glycemic fruit. Low glycemic fruit are berries. All berries are low glycemic, and then green apples are also low glycemic. So I just pour my berries in. And as you start to make this, you can determine how much of whatever you like. I usually use a little bit more berries, but what I did, I usually use pineapples and berries, but the pineapple I've been using is a little acidic, so I had some pomegranate. So I'm using pomegranate instead of pineapple. Okay, so y'all, this is washed and ready to use kale, okay? And you can get this anywhere, but you just put a nice amount in there, okay? And then I just spent probably about 5 minutes. I think you can see I dropped some kale there, but you can see these are pomegranate kernels. I absolutely love pomegranate. They're so healthy for you. Berries and pomegranate both are very high in antioxidants. And the darker the berry, the more polyphenols that are in them. So both of these are really nutrient packed, okay? So I have my pomegranate kernels in there. So now it's time for the protein. So this is chia seeds. So I'm using about a tablespoon of chia seeds. And then I'm going to use a tablespoonful of flaxseed. You can always use more. Sometimes I will put hemp seed in. Hemp seed is very high in protein. But I use pumpkin seeds. They're very high in protein. I use 2 tablespoons of that. So now, guys, it is time for us to blend it. Okay, we start on low and we increase the intensity. Okay, so it's nice. I like the consistency. I'm going to taste it a little bit because I'm going to share with my husband today. I usually put a little bit of yogurt in here, but he doesn't like my yogurt because I make it extra tangy. So, but I usually put a little plant-based yogurt in here. But anyway, I want to taste it for sweetness. It's plenty sweet for me. You can always add a little bit of sweetener. Okay guys, so as I said, this is a meal replacement. So if you had this twice a day, you could actually get all of the nutrients you need, okay? Based on everything that I put in here. So here's our smoothie. Okay, guys. Delicious. So, guys, I'll put the recipe in the description box along with the Vitamix. And if you try it, please let me know how you like it in the comment section. Also, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. I would like to get to 1,000 subscribers so that I could start doing live cooking demos. So if you're interested in live cooking demos, please help spread the word. Ask people to like, share, and subscribe. And as soon as I hit 1,000 viewers or subscribers, I will start doing more live demonstrations and content where people can ask questions. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for joining me. And until next time, Shalom.